This ground floor plan design we have here. This ground floor plan we have number of 4 bedroom with dining and kitchen, family living room and majlis hall. We will see this our entrance and this 2 column circular column for arch design. This only ground floor plan. This entrance lobby 280 by 420 centimeter. This dual leaf door. This hall area 860 by 550. This window with 2 pillar design frame, and this side 2 window for design. And here we are getting arch for our dining entrance. This dining 660 by 540, and this side window design, outside design. And here this our hall, and this is 2 column for arch, and this hall 600 centimeter by 300 centimeter. And this bedroom, this side entrance bedroom 540 by 550, and this our window with pillar design, and this attached bathroom. This dress area 280 by 300 centimeter, and this bathroom 300 by 250 centimeter. This our corridor lobby 200 by 250, and this again bedroom entrance. This dress area 280 by 250. This bathroom 280 by 250, and this bedroom 400 centimeter by 660 centimeter. This side big window with frame design, window frame design. And again this side master bedroom, big bedroom 700 centimeter by 500 centimeter. This side we have given only this side window, there is no window. And this dress 250 by 240, we can keep 2 cupboard. This bathroom 3 meter by 250 centimeter, and this family living area 660 by 820, and this wide slide glass area, glass panel. It will go full glass frame. This plan cover boundary, full boundary, and this our dining. This side we are getting wide kitchen 7 meter by 4.5 meter. This servant area 300 centimeter by 300 centimeter. This laundry 240 by 140. This bathroom, and this back side we have entrance. So this plan cover boundary 2 meter 4 side boundary, and this wonderful plan all column and wash basin, closet, sink, stove, everything placed properly, and cupboard also how much column we are getting. This is our step to reaching this level. This wonderful arch design. This is our glass panel frame, fixed frame. This floor plan with one master bedroom and 2 normal size bedroom, and one majlis will be maybe big hall size, and this dining area. And outer window we have given this frame design, arch like elevation design, and this will come first floor, roof floor, wonderful arch design. And outside we have given for bathroom this ventilator, and this bathroom this ventilation, this bathroom this ventilation. This wonderful floor plan design only ground floor. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.